How to mine hellstone in Terraria. So you cannot simply walk into the underworld with a basic iron pickaxe. Hellstone strictly requires a tool with at least 65% mining power. This means you must absolutely defeat the Eater of Worlds or the Brain of Cthulhu first to craft a Nightmare or the Deathbringer axe. So the Nightmare pickaxe has exactly 65% pickaxe power. And as you can see right there, it is able to mine hellstone. So once you have the correct tool, head to the underworld. So do note that every single hellstone block releases a half block of lava when broken. So as you can see, if you destroy a bunch of hellstone, it will drop some lava just like that. I can also do the same right here. As you can see, it releases blocks of lava. And also if you go close to the uncut ore, so as you can see, I'm going to go close to it right now. So it will instantly set you on fire. So the absolute and fastest method is to bring the Obsidian Skin Potion, which provides immunity to lava. I'm just going to drink it right here. So you can craft this at a alchemy table using bottled water, fire blossom, water leaf, and obsidian. And drinking this potion will give you a 6-minute duration of complete immunity to lava and burning blocks. Now you can just basically dive into the lava, just like that, and mine all the ores that you need. And that is how you basically mine hellstone in Terraria.